Check it out one time. I go by the name of DJ Basic, representing that little green apples crew. Yeah,
Yo, what's up? Bboy Nori from Japan, the Floria's crew. This is my breaking advice.
Hey, you, what's up, Bboy? Today we are going to learn some practical tips with Bboy Nori. This video called Custom Half or 50-50. Okay, of this move we have their base in hook, CC and share, okay? Third advice. Every base has its evolution, so before improving the base, I show you how to sit it.
3 moves are hook and the CC and the chair. This is a no.
Remember to subscribe to the channel, Bboy. Well, after knowing how to make the base, we must implement the concept of 50-50. We are going to use the base move and improve them.
Half and half hook. Chair. Like this. Normal hook is that like this. Leg and body, but half and half. Body this way, but leg this way. And change. More easy. I think. Yeah. And CG, this is normal, but half and half is there. Body this way, but leg is this way. Yeah.
Remember that creativity has no limits, okay? Here in the description I leave the links to the original break advice videos and here on the cards. Friends, thanks for watching this video. See you tomorrow.